ease of doing business. Any suggestions from your end? Whatever we've covered in the report, and even otherwise, I'm keen to hear your thoughts.
Yeah, absolutely. So, one of the important thing where the industry has benefited most out of the GST is the introduction of a multi-levy structure to a unified destination-based tax system. So this has helped a lot. Now, there are certain areas where clarifications can be issued by the government. There has been some contentious issues, ISD versus cross charge. There are some administrative topics like, if one has to change the directors list in the registration. So, and if there are multiple registrations for a company in the various states, one has to go and change each and every state's documentation, which is a big pain area. The speed of refunds can also be, further speed up. So there are a lot of ask from the industry in these areas. Government has been quite patient in the last several years, and I must say that whenever we wanted the government officials to explain our pain areas, they have shown complete resilience in this, and they have been with us, gave appointments and heard of us, and also to the extent possible, they have provided clarifications. But still, I would say there are a lot of areas where it can further be eased down. One of the asks which sometimes industry has is like, the GST credit ledger should also be allowed to use for the payment of pre-deposits. And why not the government considers this, refund of GST credits at the end of a year? The last thing which I would want to say is that there should be seamless flow of credits. And, we have quite a many still, areas where the credit is not passed on. For example, credit on the motor vehicle. So it's time when government can reconsider these aspects to make it more streamlined, more smooth.
No, thank you. I think your recommendations on the reforms on working capital unlocking as well as ITC credit has 78% participants saying working capital unlocking should happen. And 67% actually have talked about ITC restrictions should hopefully go away given the good collections. And the other recommendations, I couldn't agree anymore. It is really clearly resonates to what I've been thinking as well. And our participants on the ISD self-supply, 98% are hoping for a clarification. And some of the other changes are administrative, but very important from an operational standpoint.